Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Mystic Holistic. I'm your host, Dr. Vibha Pawar, and today we're gonna do a monthly tarot card reading for the sign Leo for the month October 2021. So these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with all of you, but if they do, please let me know by liking this video, sharing your comments in the comment section below. So let's get started. These are general readings for the star sign Leo. Let's understand how your month of October is going to be like. Okay. Let's also understand what the overall energy looks like. The overall outcome for this reading. And I'm also going to pull one oracle energy card just to understand what the supporting energies are going to be for the sign Leo for the month of October. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's get into the detailed messages now. In your recent past, you've got the Three of Cups. Now, Three of Cups is a card of celebrations. It's a card of happiness, cheerfulness. So, probably in your recent past, you have got an opportunity to celebrate something new that you're beginning with. It could either be a new job that you have taken up, or a new project assignment that you have taken up, or a new business venture that you have taken up. There was a reason to celebrate that. Or this could also mean some new relationship that you're getting into, that more commitments coming your way as well. If you're already in a relationship, you had the reasons to celebrate these good happy moments as well. In your current energies, you've got the Death card, Major Arcana card, Leo, and you've also got the World card. So both of them are Major Arcana cards. Now, the death usually represents there is a change, an inevitable change that you cannot resist. You don't resist that change. That change is going to happen eventually, and the lesser that you show resistance to this change, the journey would be even more happier and fulfilling. And the World card represents the end of a cycle, and it's a wish fulfillment card. It's everything that you have desired for so far has come your way now, and this change is going to drive to this World card, or the completion card that is coming your way. You have got all the wisdom in the world, you've got all the abundance in the world, you've got all the power in the world to create something new for you. In a regular term, it's like you've got the entire world at your feet now. So whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve, you can easily achieve that. That's the energy that is representing, but it is supported with a Death card, so that means there is an inevitable change that is going to happen. So embrace that change, because that change is going to lead to a better energy for you. That change is going to lead you to, lead your way to the liberation as well. So these are two major Arcana cards for you. These are good cards. In your recent future, you've got the Knight of Cups. So there is a message that is coming to you. Probably for all the single people over there, there is an opportunity of a new love arriving for you, or a new emotional connect that is coming for you. That's a new message that is coming for you. uh, if you are looking forward to certain information or certain acknowledgements from the past, these information, these news, these messages are on their way, and they're coming at a very fast speed. So you will be receiving some good news, acknowledgements that you've been looking forward to in your recent future. If you are in a process of job change, or if you've already appeared for interviews and now you're waiting for the offer letters, or you're waiting for the contracts to get renewed in from the business and career point of view, then definitely there is a good news that is coming your way, that this change of point of view, or this change is going to lead to a better you tomorrow, better fulfillment, better happiness, better everything for tomorrow. So look forward for those news. In your environment, you've again got the Knight of Sword, and in your hopes and dreams, you've got the Hangman. Now, there is a energy that is suggesting that you need to change your point of view, the way you look at things. You know, you have to be a little more different from your point of view. Probably time to take a step back and just stay steady until all the information is revealed to you. Don't take hasty actions. The environment, on the contrary, is asking you to take some hasty action, some hasty decisions. However, with the hangman coming into picture, it's time to slow down a little bit. Do not rush into taking into actions. Do not make a haste in making decisions. Think through it. Seek guidance around from people around you, from your mentors, from your seniors, from somebody who is elderly from your family as well, before you make any final decision, before you make any drastic decision for yourself. So change of point of view is very much needed. You know, stop thinking and looking at things from only one angle. Start looking at things from a different angle. Probably that's gonna help you a lot. And don't rush into things right now. Although the environment is asking you to be hasty, he is asking you to take quick actions, but with hangman energy coming into picture, you have to slow your pace a little bit down. You have to think through your actions before you go ahead and make a final decision for yourself. Overall energy for you and the overall outcome for you, Leo, you've got two cards actually, the Page of Ariel and the Four of Ariel. So the messages for you is from the Four of Ariel is, when you give, you also receive. Being resistant to change and extremes in how you save and spend your money. So this is again asking you and collaborating it with the Hangman energy, saying that, you know, show a little resistance to the change, but don't put yourself into too much of a resistance, and don't block yourself too much. Don't create so many boundaries that you find it difficult to express yourself later on. So however, you need to be very cautious about your money as well. You know, you need to think through it. There are chances, or there are circumstances where you will be forced to do heavy spendings as well, probably, and you will feel that that's the best way to move ahead. With the King of Sword energy, you just want to take action immediately with the spendings that are coming your way, but the messages are that you have to take a step back and understand if there is an alternate way to the solutions as well, or alternate solutions to the problem as well, and then take a very conscious and calculative decision for your actions. The second card that came out for the overall energy is Page of Ariel. Now, Page of Ariel is also a card which represents that you have an excellent opportunity that is getting offered to you. Scholarship or the pursuit of education. So, if there are new skills that you'll be learning, probably this death card that has come in your recent energies is indicating a change that you will be undergoing. So it could mean that you are probably changing the work streams or career options for you as well, and you're learning new skills and you're getting into new things coming your way as well. And these are very good energies. It's just that you need to change your point of view a little bit, take a calculative risk before you take actions. And there is definitely a change that is coming in which you have to embrace, so that the overall energy of the world can come to you as well. In your energy oracle messages, you've got the journey card. So journey represents that some of you might be moving. It could also represent that uh, either you're moving house or home, or you're moving the city completely, or you're relocating to some other location. Or it could also mean that you are moving from one job opportunity to another job opportunity. Or it could also mean that you're moving from one situation in your life to a different situation in your life as well. So it's a movement, spiritual as well. It's a movement that is physical as well. So, or it could simply mean that some of you might be planning a vacation trip for yourself. So, October is a month of vacation for you as well. So the overall energy says that there is an exciting journey or exciting times and adventures ahead of you. So don't hesitate to move on with the change that is coming your way. Overall, a very good reading, Leo. All the cards are very positive. And let's just understand, if I'm gonna pull one yes or a no question for you. So if you want, you can just pause the video for some time, and let's just understand what the spirit messages for the yes or a no question is coming out to be as well. I'm just gonna pull one yes or a no question. Does Leo need to know yes or a no question, spirits? Okay, we've got the Two of Pentacles. So, Two of Pentacles, I feel no. The answer is no. If you wish to move in that direction, that you'll keep juggling between the two things and you will never find peace and satisfaction that you're looking forward to. So, definitely no. Hold on for some time before making that final decision of yes and no, and give it a full-fledged thought before you take any action in the month of October. So these are some of the readings for Leo. If these resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for listening to me eagerly. You guys have a lovely October. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.